Hey y'all, it's NowIAmNappy and I'm back for another Tip Tuesday. Now this week we're going to feature the herb henna. Now a lot of you guys have probably heard about henna, and I know some people have been so hesitant to use it because some people heard it broke their hair off and it's too strong. So today I wanted to offer you guys a henna gloss recipe that can help reap some of the benefits of the strengthening properties but as well as the conditioning properties. All right, if you guys are curious about my full henna treatment video, I will go ahead and link it right here or down below for you guys. All right, so one of the major benefits of henna is that it binds to your hair shaft. So though henna is not a protein, it acts like a protein because it binds around the diameter of your shaft and it kind of like adds a coating or a layer above it. So that helps your hair to be strengthened, and over time it can help thicken your hair. Now, for some people, as I said, if they have protein sensitive hair, may find that it can be a bit drying. So the recipe that I'm going to use has some conditioning and strengthening benefits to it. Now, henna is also amazing because it has antifungal, antibacterial properties. Again, it strengthens your hair and it acts as a natural hair dye. So henna will naturally dye your hair or stain your hair a reddish color. So I've been using henna for 10 years, and if you guys have ever seen any of my pictures on Instagram, I'm going to probably add a few here around so you guys can see like this reddish hue that I have in my hair, and that is from using henna for over the course of 10 years. So the first time that you try a henna treatment, especially a henna gloss, it will only stain your hair just lightly, so you're not going to see these major hair color changes right away. This comes from repeated use. So if you do have gray colored hair or light hair, it will color and stain your hair. So definitely I'll send you guys some links about from other websites that talk about how to use henna to achieve a certain type of hair color if you're blonde or if you have gray hair. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and get to mixing my recipe that has conditioners, oils, and uses the tea mix that I'm using all in one. All right, so let's go ahead and get to mixing. Begin by adding half a cup of body art quality henna. Next, add 1 tablespoon of Shikakai powder, 1 tablespoon of Brahmi powder, and then 2 tablespoons of Amla powder. Next, I add about 3/4 cup of warm tea of my herbal infusion tea from my previous video slowly into the henna mixture. I'm going to slowly add this until the mixture is about the consistency of thick cake batter. Let the henna rest for a minimum of 1 hour. If you have the time, try at least 4 to 8 hours. After the dye has released for a minimum of 1 hour, add 1/2 cup of the mixture, or about half the mixture, to a separate bowl. Next, add about 1/2 cup to maybe 2/3 cup of conditioner. I also add 2 tablespoons of my Brahmi oil. I'll link the video to the top of how I made this. Put the remaining henna in a freezer-safe bag and freeze for a maximum of 1 month. Okay, so as with any henna treatment, you want to start it the same way. So you want to go ahead and section your hair and shampoo your hair to remove any of the oils and to lift the cuticles so that your hair can readily accept the henna treatment. So I'm going to come back on and after my hair is shampooed and begin the henna process. Now you want to wear gloves if you have light color nails, or because it can stain the skin if you've ever seen the henna tattoos. So you want to wear gloves when you're about to apply this, so go ahead and get yourself some gloves and I'll come back on when my hair is shampooed. Okay, so my hair is washed and I use black soap, African black soap. I'm actually going to do a tip on that. And so let's go ahead and get to applying it. And I'm going to split this section in half and work my way down from the roots. You want to fully saturate the area. It glides on very easily because of the conditioner. Make sure you get them into the moons. Okay. Make sure they're nice and coated. Then I like to 2-strand twist and then pin it up. If you're just starting out with henna, you can do a henna class every 2 weeks to see how your hair responds. If your hair responds positively, try doing a full henna treatment following the video that I'll link above. Okay, so the henna is all applied to my hair. My hair feels really good. It smells good because the conditioner smells amazing, by the way. I'm gonna go ahead and put this plastic bag over my hair and leave it wrapped for about an hour. If you have more time, you could do it longer, but I would recommend no less than 1 hour, all right? So I'm gonna come back on after I rinse out the product and show you guys how fabulous my hair looks, all right? Okay, so I just rinsed out the henna. I wanna show you guys how my hair looks. It is very defined. There's a lot of moisture infused into my hair right now. I can feel like the amount of stretch I have. My hair looks really good. I'm gonna go ahead and add some detangler and detangle my hair and then style it up in some twists for the week. Just know that henna will oxidize over the next couple of days, so you may notice maybe by like 2 to 3 days later, your hair will be a little bit lighter in the sun. I'll make sure I post some pictures on Instagram, so definitely make sure you follow me. Also, check out my blog, which I'll link down below for you guys to learn all the benefits of henna and doing a henna gloss in your regimen. And I'll see you guys next week for next week's Tip Tuesday. All right.